morning. I'm Epstein with your morning flash update, and this update is for the morning, and here we are now at about 8:20 a.m. on Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024. So today, we're 3 weeks away now from the U.S. election. President Trump at, I believe, noon Eastern time will be on Bloomberg being interviewed. Check that time, make sure that I don't have it in Central, but I think it's noon Eastern. Earnings season's going on. And the first thing we've now had J.P. Morgan, Wells Fargo, Citi, and Goldman all report. Stellar earnings all the way through. So the market had a low bar. They have beaten. Trading is certainly very good. And interest income is good. And the banks are getting help still. Even though that we're up sharply today in bonds and notes. And this is the first one-day rally that has got any size to it at all. And it's more than welcome, of course. But they have been earning that higher money on interest income as well. But their trading has done fabulous. And why not? The stock market has been going on to new highs. All they had to do is be buying, and the market's been going up. When you look at the metal market, sort of a mixed bag today. But copper staying weak. In fact, it was down another almost 730 points today. So you can see the market's not buying into China's ideas as to how the stimulus comes about in terms of talk and no walk. And that is the problem they're having. Now, today we had some economic data, and this was a pretty big shocker. The New York Empire State Manufacturing Survey. Do you remember that in the September number, it came in at 11.5, and everybody went, what the heck is going on? Well, this time they expected it down to give back a chunk, but not to do this. A complete reversal down to 11.39. Now, when you look at the employment index, it went up, but new orders cratered, down 10.2, a negative 10.2 versus a positive 0.94. You did see the prices received a bit higher. You also saw the paid index, but the inventory's down. So a couple of things here. You're not getting new orders, and the inventories are being drained. That's important. And the shipment index is therefore falling as well. So not good signs at all. Redbook, weekly retail sales up 5.6 for both categories. So that was pretty important as well. So as I look at the markets today, what we're looking at is the continuing of earnings. That'll go on for the next 30 days. You know that that's how it works. The question is, how is the stock market doing? Is it ahead of itself, or is the market fairly valued here? The dollar giving back a little bit across the board, as most currencies are gaining on the dollar this morning. In the grain market, it's more of the same. The farmers are now rushing. Believe me, they're working 12, 14-hour days, getting their harvest in. As the weather is changing in the Midwest, now we're getting wet and cold, freezing in some areas, so got to pay attention to all that. This is October. You go into your transition, and these farmers want to get that done. As the grain comes in, well, the elevators can bid less because they're getting a lot of grain, and the question is how much export business they're getting. And keep your eye on all of the energies. Sorry, it got cut off at the top there. I don't know why. But all the energies are down fairly sharp, and those are the crude prices you're looking at. I want to remind you that if you're looking for technical indicators, one of the things you can do is go to our website. And via the website, you'll be able to see the, let's see if I can get that up here, in fact, for us. I just might be able to do this. Here we go. You're going to be able to get our booklets on market sentiment, Dow Elliott, Gann, charting, different ways that the charts look, Elliott wave theory, option strategies, money management, price-time relationship called the Arun indicator, if you haven't used that. We have options primers in here. For so many people use options today. You got to learn them. Money management, I said that before, because it's everything. You only have X amount of money in your account, so take a look. Guide to technical indicators, both volumes. Go to irapstein.com, free offers, and move your cursor up to the top here. It'll take you there. I'm Ira Epstein. You have yourself a good morning, and I'll talk to you all this afternoon in our market wrap-up.